What's going on, guys? So Charles Siritho here at the beautiful Eagle Canyon Raceway. So we're doing a proper introduction here. We are on the iPhone. This is the first time we've actually used this format, so we'll see how it works out. Behind me, we've got Tim's beautiful 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 carbon fiber track pack, and he is one of our sponsored Function Factory drivers, sporting that big Function Factory sticker on the back of this beautiful rapid red Mustang right here. Today we are not running the slicks, so we are running the stock Pilot Sport Cup 2s on this car. And to talk to you about the goodies on this car, it's got the Python carbon fiber hood vent. It's got a cool, nice cage matching that color here. What else? What other goodies we have? The motor is fully stock, exhaust is stock. Other than that, I mean, there's a bunch of cosmetic mods on this car, but as far as power-wise, the car is pretty much stock and ready to roll. If you guys don't know, these cars do have a massive amount of power. It's 760 to be exact. And I'll be driver coaching Tim, as this is his first track car ever, and that is quite the daunting task to control a car with that much power. But you know what? It does have a massive 315 up front, so he has done a modification. He does have spacers up front and extended studs to fit that larger tire here. And joining Tim are a slew of other GT500s that are parked next to us. So again, I'm super excited to get on this track, see what it's all about, and yeah, let's check it out. Well, check out this cool clubhouse and restaurant at Canyon here. So really cool view of the track. Lots of room for guests here. Look at that. Full glass window. Just really cool view. Look at all those garages, guys. There are even more garages to the left. There are full race shops in there. This place is dialed. This is what a country club is. So in front of me, what is this, Tim, a 21 or 20?
This is a 2020 Shelby GT500 carbon fiber track pack, rapid red, fully loaded, painted stripes, tech package. We're racing with the subwoofer in the trunk today.
You hear that, guys? This is a fully loaded car, and yes, they are. We're gonna look at this right here, guys. This is no BS. These are painted stripes. These are not vinyl.
Yeah, that Ford charges an insane amount for that $10,000 option, but whatever, I wanted them.
So we just got out of our drivers meeting here. We'll take a quick walk through the paddock. It's not as packed as I thought it'd be. It is a Sunday, so they did run Saturday, so I guess these are stragglers still left over here. Looks like we've got our normal track day cars. Got a FD over there, ZL1, GT4, Corvette M3 with some cool aero, and of course GT2 RS. So one thing I noticed, I'd say the number one choice of car, it seems like on a Sunday, seems to be the Mustang. We've got a couple GT500s down there. Behind me, we've got a 350 over here. I see an awesome Mach 1 down there. So I mean, obviously the Mustang seems like the ultimate track car because, meets a good price point. We are going on an orientation lap, meaning that everybody in a run group will be driving the track, no passing. Just gonna get used to it here. I really like the format that Chin's got going. Seems like they're really driver and guest oriented. At lunch, anybody can drive the track on a parade format. So again, 40 to 45 miles an hour, no passing. Anybody can drive it, quite literally. There is no fee to drive that. So super cool about these guys. Just really, again, driver and guest oriented. We're gonna flip.
He said he's just a passenger. I said, well, he might be doing some coaching too. Yeah, he's just a passenger, right? I said, yeah, whatever. All good. So I started out with a base model. I got one of the first 100 to be delivered in the country, which was kind of cool. I got it November or early December of 2019. I couldn't get a carbon fiber track pack, and then I ended up coming across a carbon fiber track pack allocation. So sold the base model, got this sucker, and it's been my track toy ever since.
Come on, tires. Come on, tires. liking it. right, guys, we are in another GT500 here, and we are in Gabe's orange, Twister Orange. 2020 or 21? 21 Shelby GT500. This is a real carbon fiber track pack. Beautiful car.
The only mods are the safety modifications that we're seeing here with the bolt-in CMS cage and the harnesses. And then we also have some custom cut Hawk DTC 70 brake pads up front, DTC 60s in the rear, stock Ford Performance, Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires. So that's about it.
Beautiful, beautiful. You got this. Fuck yeah, look at that. All right, we're going to beat Tim on this lap. Right in a straight line. There you go, beautiful. So give up the speed in this corner here. So just give up the speed here and go down to the right. Now start opening it back up on the left. Look at that, even moving. Oh, there goes our lap. Here in Sean's. We're in another GT500. This one's white. Sean's got some power outage. Sean, why don't you tell the camera what you got done to this car?
Headers, 1050 injectors, Lund tune, 285 Grip Tech pulley with a Gates belt. That's about it for performance mods.
So no matter what, that's faster than mine, and it's faster than those two that we just rode in. What tires?
Cup 2s.
All right, we're on the same tire. Everyone's got the same tires, so let's see what Sean's got. Guys, this thing's fucking fast. On that, so much later. All right. All right, so I rode with 3 different people. We got Tim, we got Gabe, and we've got Sean. So red Mustang, white Mustang, orange Mustang, all same tires, Pilot Sport Cup 2s at different PSI settings. And to note, the white car has a tremendous amount of power. All different 3 drivers, 3 different perspectives. All nearly same age group though, where Tim is a really balanced guy. He's hard on the brakes, he's smooth on the gas pedal, and his turn-in is not too aggressive, but it's not too passive. But to go to the flip side, Gabe's orange car over here, Gabe is really passive on the gas and the brake, but he's running the same lap times. So all these guys are running 209s within each other. And then, but we had Tim start at a 211. I worked him down all the way to a 207. And Gabe was at a 215, worked him down to a 209, but I think he has some tire pressure issues. So there's another full second in that car. And then we have Sean, where Sean was at, I think he was at 216, 215, and we worked him all the way down to a 208, and we just used the gas brutally down both straightaways. So he really used that power to make up that time, and all he has to do is calm down just a tad, and honestly, his car is killer out at this incredible track here. As you guys can tell, I am sweating like crazy. It is super hot here. So we're just gonna wrap up this video again. Thank you to Tim, and thank you to Chin Track Days. This was an awesome experience. I want to try and do this every single weekend. I am dead tired, as you can tell, and I'm gonna do a parade lap in the rental car again. If you guys like these videos, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and again, my name is Charles Siritho, and welcome to Function Factory Performance.